Imagine you're sitting in your backyard on a clear night, gazing up at the stars. Now imagine that among those twinkling lights, some are not just stars, but whole solar systems possibly harboring planets not unlike our own Earth. This is not the opening of a science fiction novel, it's the very real, ongoing mission of modern astronomy. Today, let's embark on an incredible journey through the cosmos, exploring the efforts of humanity's most ambitious eyes in the sky, the Kepler and TESS space telescopes. In March 2009, NASA took a giant leap towards understanding our universe by launching the Kepler Space Telescope. Named after the famed astronomer Johannes Kepler, who revolutionized our understanding of how planets orbit the Sun, the Kepler telescope was designed with a very special goal in mind: to find Earth-sized planets located in the habitable zones of their stars, regions where conditions might be just right for life to exist. Kepler's approach was akin to noticing a flicker from a street lamp when a small bug flies in front of it. By measuring the minute dimming of a star caused by a planet passing between the star and the telescope, a method known as the transit method, Kepler could infer the presence of a planet. The genius of this method lies in its simplicity and effectiveness. Despite the vast distances involved, this subtle change in light allowed Kepler to uncover a whole new world of exoplanets. With a main mirror 140 cm in diameter and equipped with a whopping 94.1 megapixel resolution distributed across multiple CCD sensors, Kepler was a powerhouse. Over its 9-year mission, it confirmed the existence of 662 exoplanets. The data gathered painted a picture of a diverse universe filled with planets of all sizes and compositions, from rocky Earth-sized worlds to gas giants larger than Jupiter. However, all good things come to an end. In October 2018, after running out of fuel, Kepler retired. It had spent nearly a decade quietly drifting in space, whispering its findings back to Earth until it could no longer do so. But its legacy was just beginning. Enter TESS, the Transiting Exoplanet Survey satellite, launched in April 2018. If Kepler was a diligent prospector panning for gold in a few chosen streams, TESS is a wide-net fisherman casting a broad swath across the celestial ocean. Armed with 4 ultra-sensitive cameras, TESS surveys an area of the sky 400 times larger than that observed by Kepler. Its mission is to look at the brightest stars near Earth, stars that are hundreds of times closer and brighter than those observed by Kepler, which makes follow-up observations easier and more fruitful. In just 2 years, TESS has already identified over 2,100 exoplanet candidates, confirming 66. But TESS's mission extends beyond merely spotting these distant worlds. By observing the frequency and brightness dips of starlight, TESS also studies the atmospheric conditions and compositions of these planets, offering insights into their climates and, potentially, their habitability. The future looks even brighter with missions like the upcoming Kepler Space Telescope, set for a 2026 launch, which aims to discover even more about these distant worlds, focusing particularly on finding Earth-like planets within the habitable zones of their stars. As we continue to reach out into the cosmos, telescopes like Kepler and TESS not only broaden our understanding of the universe, but also redefine our place within it. They remind us that we are part of a much larger tapestry, woven with countless stars and potentially habitable planets. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember, you're not just looking at stars. You're looking at possibilities, at future homes, at the unknown itself. And somewhere out there, a planet just like ours might be looking right back.